Hello everyone, welcome to Practical Learn. In this video, we will be discussing about the USB ports. Now, the most commonly used port in a computer or laptop is a USB port. So here you can see there are three ports. One, two, three. This all are USB ports. So this has been divided into this two is called as USB 2.0, whereas this one, the blue color, is called as USB 3.0. Now, what is the difference between USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 is USB 3 has a can transfer data more faster, whereas USB 2.0 has data transfer speed much lesser than the USB 3.0. Now you can connect all the devices to this laptop. Okay, all the devices in the sense the devices which are USB enabled. Can you see here? This is nothing but the eye of computer. Okay, which is also called as the webcam. You can simply connect this to the USB port, whereas this is the storage device, USB storage, USB. So you can connect this also to the USB port, also called as pen drive. This is called as the external hard drive. You can connect this also to the port, and this is called as external CD or DVD drive. This can also easily be connected to the USB port. Now you may be thinking, where shall I connect this? But all these devices. Your first preference should be USB 3.0. So whenever why I am telling your first preference should be USB 3.0 is because it has a faster data transfer rate. Now since I am planning, I'll connect this external hard drive because I think this is the one which requires much greater data transfer rate, okay, to the USB 3.0, whereas other things you can easily connect it to the USB 2.0. I hope you have understood the concept of USB ports. If you like this video, do subscribe and share. Thank you.